Hello, can you hear me? Very good morning, very good morning. So, yes. Okay, so you can tell me your doubts, please. Yes, sir. Any doubts, or shall we start a new chapter?
I have two doubts.
Yeah, please.
4.9, the third, fifth one. Divide and express the fifth one for me.
Are you getting any disturbance from my side?
No,
4.9?
3, the fifth one.
Why, what happened?
I did it many times, but the answer wasn't the same.
Good morning, Anna. Camera, please.
Morning, sir.
This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Johan. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're a bit late. No problem. Okay. So, now, what is the point? You have to. Okay, everyone will solve with me. Okay, you will solve in your notebook, and I will solve on the. Okay, don't sit and just see the code, what they're good at writing like that. Just do it. Okay, we'll do all four. Okay, Johan,
Yes,
fill in
sir.
your notebook often. Okay, don't sit
Yes,
and
sir.
just watch Hardik sir. And I'll do it in your notebook, please. Don't sit. What is a common thing? What is the last factor? What factor you got, Hannah, for this one?
Couldn't factorize two of them, but then I realized that I made a mistake for the second one. So I was able to factorize the first one and the fourth one. The second and third I couldn't. But I
So
realized
this one you're not able to do it? Well, I can't even.
because I couldn't think of any combination.
You. Then -6, perfect. So that's वो उसको करता रहा प्रैक्टिस करता रहा तो हो गया is this and this one. But like this, it can be happen or what we can do because you can't factorize this term. Either the question is wrong or something is wrong. This one factorization is not possible. Like you can use any number, you can't factorize it. Say loudly.
Okay, sir.
Other question?
Yeah, I got the answer to the problem.
Just write it down. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Okay. So now we'll start a new chapter called as probability. Take out everyone. Turn the camera, Hannah, both please. Chapter number 26, probability. Now, first of all, we understand what do you mean by probability. Probability means like chances. Okay. What do you mean by probability? Johan, are you there with me? Johan, are you with me? Johan, if you're saying something, you're mute.
Uh, sorry, I was on mute.
Okay.
Yeah, you want me to explain probability?
Yes.
It's like the chances of something happening.
Can you give me one example, please?
Like uh, the probability of you winning some game,
Hmm.
like table game, I guess.
Yeah.
So the probable you can I'm not sure how to say this, but yeah,
Okay. Like we can take one example of coin, flipping a coin. Then,
then it's a 50-50. Pro
yes, very good. Like a coin has two faces. Coin has two faces, either head or either tail. So when you will flip the coin, then what is the probability, or we can say what is the chances of getting uh, head? Okay.
uh
So
yeah.
yes, please.
uh 1 second, sir, 1 second.
We are waiting.
Yes, sir. I had to do something. Yeah, probability is like 50%.
Yeah, 50%. Okay. Or we can also say that 1/2. Means there are half chances are there that you will get head. Same with the half chances are there that you will get tail. So probability means the chances. What is the percentage? Like Johan explained us in the terms of percentage, but we will calculate it in the terms of fraction. Like how much fraction, like half chances are there that you will get a tail, or a half chances are there that you will get a head. Understood? So this is what probability means. If I will write the formula for the probability is number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Number of favorable outcome. Good morning, Joshua. You are late.
Sir, there was a power cut, sir.
Okay. So, can you say we just started chapter just now? Okay. So we were doing about probability. Probability is basically a chances, like how much chances are there to getting a tail when we flip the coin. So the tail chances is 1/2, basically. So this only I taught them. And probability means number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome that I am teaching just now. So total number of outcome. So for example, we'll take one example. Please pay attention. Don't write anything. I'll give you time to write because when you are writing, I'm taking my rest. So don't take my rest. Okay. So for example, there are some balls are there. Okay. Now there are some balls are there, जैसे कि yellow. Then we have basically it's maroon, but I'll write red. And then we have blue. So if I will ask you that what is the probability of getting yellow ball? Y means yellow ball. What is the probability of getting yellow balls? Can you count? Can you tell me, Joshua? Joshua will tell me. Come on. What is like if you will put your hand, what is the chances of getting yellow ball that you will get a yellow ball? What is the chances of that? Sorry,
9.
9. Like why 9? Because how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 out of what? Like out of how many balls are there? Like total number of balls. How many total number of balls are there? So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it means that there are total number of balls are 19, and out of 19 you have like 9 balls are there. So 9 by 19 is the probability that you will get a yellow ball. Understood, everyone? No. Now, Hannah will tell me what is the probability of getting a red ball. Yes, Hannah. Hey.
6 by
Oh.
19.
6 by 19. Why 6 by 19? Because 6 is the total number of red ball, which is a favorable outcome, upon total number of ball, which is 90. Uh, now, Anna will tell me what is the probability of getting blue ball.
4 upon 19.
4 upon 19. Very good. So this is how we get the probability, like chances. In this, how many chances are? Okay. And as Johan was saying in percentage, na, like half percent, 50%, 70%. If you want to calculate percentage, na, then just multiply it by 100. Whatever fraction you get, just multiply it by 100. Then you will get the percentage probability, like how much percentage how much percentage chances you have that when you will put your hand, you will get a yellow ball or a red ball or a blue ball. Understood? No. Yes or no? Guys, there is no response from your side.
I understood.
I just have to say loudly. Yes. Then it is not coming to my like either my OnePlus is not able to like receive that voice which you are saying very soft. Okay. So this is all about probability, but now we will learn different types of probability. So I request all of you students to write it down in your notebook with a good handwriting. That extra mark is for probability.
Sir, what chapter is this?
Chapter 26. Johan, did you understand better? Johan?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Teacher. Okay, done, guys. Anna done. If you are done, shall I erase it, guys? 1 minute. Johan done with writing? Johan?
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Yeah. You done with writing? The notes? Are you writing notes?
Yes, yes, sir. I ordered.
Very good. So this summer, you are not going in summer camp, Anna?
What's that?
You are not going in summer camp? Any summer camp?
I was supposed to go, but then one of my friends, she went to, I think, Malaysia. So I
Hmm.
usually like to go with her. So this year, I don't think I'm going to camp.
Anna? Please, can you speak loudly?
I don't think so. It's a problem with the headphone. It's not working.
No, there is noise cancellation option in here. So if you will speak softly, na, it's like sound very soft. So we're not able to listen what you say. So are you not going in summer camp? No, Joshua,
No.
Johan, are you going? Johan, are you going in summer camp? Are you there, Johan? Can you hear me?
Uh, no, sir.
No. Okay, no problem. So yeah, but for the reminder, tomorrow the class at 6 a.m. in the morning. From tomorrow, and also yes, and yes, okay. So 6 a.m. morning, 6 a.m. Okay. Who get up early in the morning, like 5 o'clock? Hannah.
I get up only if I need to, sir. Like if there's something I have to do.
So tomorrow you need to get up nearly 5:30, and then you have to call me also. You can call me, sir, Joseph. We have a class at 6 a.m. So, yes.
So
Okay,
can it
nice.
be 6:30?
6:36. We have like I'll take only 1 hour class tomorrow and Friday because 7 o'clock I have to get ready. Then I have to come church, which is 15 kilometers from my place. So it will take time. Then I have to prepare for the BPS. Like we have a team. We have to prepare. We have to discuss for teachers. So that's why I took this because 8 o'clock it will start. So I have to do everything fast. Next one. Okay. So we did this probability part. Okay. Now, now who know how to play Ludo? Ludo. Ludo. Everyone knows. Like Ludo has a dice which has 6 faces, and that dice has basically okay, like it has number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, yes or no? So I'm writing one question. So you have to tell me the answer. Okay. Can you read this, Joshua?
dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting a number 3?
Yeah. So what is the probability? What is the probability of getting number 3?
30%.
No, I'm not asking in percentage. I just need a fraction.
Or 3 by 6.
Okay, 3 by 6. Okay. Anna? What is the probability? Yes.
Is it 1/6 or something?
Anna? That's for Hannah. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, that's 1/6.
Okay. Johan? Johan?
Yes, sir.
What is the probability of getting this number 3 from a die?
1/6. Be
Okay.
1/6.
Yes, 1/6 is correct, Joshua. Why 1/6? Because number 3 is saying number 3. So number 3 is only one, like probability. First, we have to write like this probability. Then we have to write number of favorable outcome upon number of total number of outcomes. The favorable outcome is only one. Like 3 is only there, only one. Na? Upon total number of outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's will be 1/6. Understood? Yes or no? So this is how the probability works. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay, write it down quickly. Then I will give you a question. Okay, do this. Done? Same every time you have to write the questions and then you have to solve it. Okay, guys? Yeah, what's the answer? Joshua, what's the answer?
Is it 1/6? Wait, everything is on.
Can you read this question? Can you read this question, Joshua? Hello.
A dice is thrown once. Determine the probability of getting a number other than 3.
Other than 3. Means you don't want 3 number, but you have to need other than 3 number. So what is the probability then? Other than 3. Now what do you mean by other than 3? Like you don't need 3 number. Other than 3 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So how many total favorable outcomes are there? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So basically there are total number of 5 favorable outcomes are there. And what is the total number of outcomes? It's 6. So the answer would be 5/6. Okay. Understood, guys? Everyone understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can I erase this? Can I erase this page? Okay, this is the question. Now quickly do it and give me the answer, please. You have to write the questions also in your notebook. We have 4 students and 4 answers. So red color one will give by Anna, blue color Hannah, black colors Joshua, not blue colors Johan. Okay, quickly.
Sir, could you bring the question down a bit? I can't really see the top part.
Not fast. Oh, can you see that now? Okay, first answer Anna. What is the answer of first? What is the answer of first Anna?
Is it 2 out of 9?
2 out of 9.
9.
Perfect. Good. Second, blue color Anna.
3 out of 9.
Loudly.
3 out of 9.
3 out of 9. So the simplest form is 1/9. Perfect. Black color Joshua.
4/9.
Very good. 4/9. That's correct answer. Then not blue color. Johan.
6/9.
Not blue color. Very good. 6/9. So how it can be 6/9? Not blue color means we don't want blue color. But if we don't need blue color, so it means that red color or black color is acceptable. So it will become 4 plus 2 is 6 upon total vowel is 9. So it becomes 6/9. Understood, guys? Is it easy? Hmm? Tomorrow, who knows how to play cards? Somebody knows? Okay, Hannah knows, Joshua knows. Hannah, you know? We have spade, club. You know
I
how
know
to play
Uno.
cards?
I know Uno. I don't know poker.
Okay, Anna no Uno. Okay. So Johan, you know how to play cards?
I knew, but I forgot.
Okay. Yeah. So we are believers, we don't have to play right cards. Okay. It's okay. So uh so tomorrow we'll learn how to play. I mean, we'll not play how to play cards. I'm saying tomorrow we'll know about cards, like what is spade, club, diamond, heart. All these things we will know. Okay. So I think we have to end this class. And guys, you have to remind me when the maths class is over. Maths class timing is 10:40 only. Like after 10:40, you have to remind me. That's sir. And now we are fed up with maths. Now we have to shift for the science. Not like that. You can say that the time is over. You can say that science. So I'm giving you how much break? I'm giving you 4 minutes break. Then we'll come back with the science class. So children, bye. Enough.
Bye, sir.
Okay, come back. We will have now maths class. Sorry, science class. Okay, so yesterday we learned about motion. Okay, but before going that, I will teach you about uh, distance, displacement, some basic terms so that, yes, Hannah.
Sir, can you give me the answers to those?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Which answers? Tell me.
The first one is name the following the phase of cardiac cycle in which the auricles contract.
Can you say loudly?
The phase
Name the.
of cardiac cycle in which the auricles contract. Name the following.
Say loudly.
The phase of the cardiac cycle in which the auricles contract.
Systole, I think, no? Yeah, systole. SYS, sys, TOLE, systole.
Okay, I didn't know that word. The other one is one point of difference between the following auricular systole and ventricular systole.
Auricle systole is when the blood is going from auricle to the ventricle because of contraction. Just now we learned. And ventricular systole is when the from ventricular system, like we have auricle and ventricle. Now, when the heart is contract and if blood is going to the pulmonary vein, this is called as ventricle systole. So auricle systole means the blood is coming from auricles to the ventricle, and the ventricle systole is when the blood is going from ventricle to the pulmonary artery, or from ventricle to the aorta. So this is called as ventricle systole.
Okay. The other one was fill in, like, give an example of a certain structure and its function. The sixth one is that pacemaker and dash.
Say loudly.
Given below is an example of a certain structure and its function, like that they gave kidney and excretion. I couldn't get the sixth one, pacemaker and dash.
Pacemaker and heart.
Yeah.
Done? Okay. So now, yeah, we first we will learn about distance and displacement term. Okay. So before going like this, today's class is about motion chapter. Okay. So first of all, motion. Now, what is motion? So I'll just give you a simple example for motion. Okay, there are three persons are there: person A, person B, and person C. Three persons are there. Now, if this train is moving towards left direction, okay. So, what do you mean by motion, according to that? So, I'll just simply first ask what is motion. So, I'll ask one by one, then I will clear your doubts. Okay. So, Hannah, what is motion?
I think it's when something moves.
Something moves. Okay, correct. No problem. Joshua, what is motion?
Is it an object that moves? Is it
Yes, please continue.
is it an object that moves?
Very good. No problem. Johan? Johan, are you there? Johan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is yeah,
What is motion, right?
yeah.
Uh, like
Like
cha
yeah,
changing the position of an object.
position of an object. Okay. So Johan, like your definition is just 1 point left for the like that bullseye, bonsai, or what is the word that is? Definition. Okay, perfect definition. It's a good answer, but it's not a perfect answer. Okay. So I want to just ask one doubt from you. Johan, you can see that there is this rail cart is there, and person A and person B is in the car. Okay, and the
Yeah.
person C is in the car. So person A and person B and person C both are at the same place. Like they are not moving here and there. Okay, they are just sitting in, like A and B are sitting in the train, and C is also standing on the ground. Okay. Now, if A and B are moving, you said that it is a change in position. If A and B are moving and C is standing, so according to that, if you will see a person who's standing outside, you will feel that they are in motion, but they are still standing. There is no change in position. Why? Understood what I'm trying to say? No.
Yes, I understood.
So you said change in position, but here C is standing on the ground only, and A and B are moving with the train. Okay, so if A and B are moving with the train, if they will see outside the window and they will see, they will watch C, then C is moving, but C is basically standing. So I just want to correct the little things. Otherwise, it's basically a change in position with the reference of point or with the reference. With the reference means from where you are seeing. Understood? From where you are seeing is basically the motion. Like for example, according to A, or we can say according to C. According to C, who is in motion? A and B both are in motion because train is also moving. Understood? So according to C, A and B are in motion. If I will say according to A. If I will say according to A. So what A is saying, like A and B, both are like sitting in the same compartment and they are watching to each other. But when they will see outside the window, they will see that C is standing outside the train and he is moving. Basically, the train is moving now. So according to A, B is at rest because they both are sitting on the same compartment. But C is in motion. B is at rest, but C is in motion. C is motion. Why? Because train is moving. So C is outside the train, and because train is moving, so we feel that the C is moving. Okay. I don't know. Did you observe or not? When I was kid, so I used to say to my mom that, "Oh, mommy, trees are walking. Trees are walking with us." Okay, like, but it's not true. Trees are not walking there at one place only, but because we are moving, it's looking like trees are moving. Or we can understand one more example when two trains are standing each like near to each other. If one train is moving, like we are sitting in this train, but this train is moving, so we will feel that, oh, we are also moving. Did you observe or not? Oh, mama, we are moving. But when the train goes from the station, then we feel that, oh, we are standing, but that train was moving. So why it's so? Because reference, from which reference you are seeing, it's most important for the motion. Now, if I will say according to B, now according to B, which one is motion? C is in motion and A is at rest. So motion is not only about moving an object, okay, but it's a reference from where you are seeing. This is all motion. So motion is the moving of an object with reference point. That's called as full definition of motion. Understood? Now there are two types of motions are there. First is uniform motion and the second one is non-uniform motion. Okay. So now understand it like this: uniform motion and non-uniform motion part. Um, okay. So like there are some marks are there. This is 0, 2 meter, 4 meter, 6 meter. No. Okay, now I'll give you the definition of uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Now, uniform motion, understand it like this. You can see there are some marks: 2 second, 0 second, 2 second, 4 second, 6 second. Yes. So, uniform motion is when in equal interval of time, if equal distance is covered. You can see that 0 to 2 second, how much distance is covered? 2 meter distance is covered. 2 to 4 second, 2 meter distance is covered. 4 to 6 second, two. So equal interval of time has equal distances is called as uniform motion. Understood? Yes or no? Now, non-uniform motion is the interval of time, equal interval of time is already there, but there is no equal distance. Like you can see, from 0 to 2 second, only 1 meter distance is covered, and 2 to 4 second only like means the speed increases and the 4 meter is covered. And from 4 to 6 second, 2 meter speed, 2 meter distance is covered. So you can understand it like this, that in uniform motion, equal distance covered in equal interval of time. This is called as uniform motion. And non-uniform motion is non-equal distance is covered in non-equal interval of time. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, now quickly write it down
So
and
can you
give me
give
this.
the definition of motion again?
Motion. Motion is the movement of objects. Okay, I'll give you the perfect definition. Now, why will I give my grammar mistake that definition? What is it? This is the motion definition. Done? नीचे डालो ऐसे. Okay, done. Shall I raise this? Joshua? Okay. Now we'll learn two things. First is distance. No. Before that, we'll learn about two quantities are there. First is scalar quantity, and the second one is vector quantity. Okay. Now, scalar quantity is the quantity in which only magnitude is there. Okay. I'll write this thing, then I will let you know what is magnitude and everything. And this has magnitude plus direction. So you will take example of this. Okay, a car is moving with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour. And this one is car is moving with 20 kilometer per hour in north direction. Okay, so we have two values. Can you read this example? Car is moving with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour. And car is moving with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour in north direction. So here is only magnitude is there, which is 20 kilometer per hour. Like only value is given, which is 20 kilometer per hour. And here we can understand that the magnitude plus direction is there. It means that car is moving with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour. This is the magnitude. This is the value. But in north direction is there. So this quantity, this is the example of vector quantity, and this is the example of scalar quantity. Understood? So we can understand it like this. This one is vector quantity because magnitude plus direction is there, and this one is called as scalar quantity. Understood? No. Write it down. This is not in your chapter, like force, motion, this doesn't have any this thing. But because it is coming in your TMF, we have to get some of the values from it because in gravitation, in this, some of the values will be used by in the coming chapter. That's why. Done? Joshua done? Done? Okay. Now, now we learn about distance and displacement. Okay. So distance, understand it like this. Distance is the quantity, like for example, a person is standing at O point, now it goes towards A, then come back to O and then goes towards the B. Okay. Now, if the distance between these two are is like O to A is 5 kilometer, and again O to B is 5 kilometer. So now, what is the distance calculated? What is the distance? Tell me, guys. First he goes from O to A, then he went to A to B. So what is the distance? How much distance is there?
15 kilometers.
15 kilometers. How? Like 5, then 5, and then 5. The distance will be how much? 15 kilometers. But what displacement says? Displacement says minus 5 kilometer. Oh my God. Now what does this mean? See, guys. First of all, always your right direction is positive and your left direction is negative. Your up direction is positive, like above the sea level, and below the sea level is negative. This we know. Okay. But what displacement says? Displacement says shortest distance covered. Repeat after me. Shortest distance covered. Shortest distance covered, or we can also say that change in position, or it depends on starting and ending point of the journey. Okay, now understand it like this. See, first is standing on O. So O to A, okay, he covered 5 kilometers. Then again come to that same position. It means that there is no change in position when he comes back to the OO. Please don't write, first listen, okay? Displacement is basically what is the starting position? Starting position is O. And what is the ending position? Ending position is B. It is not path dependent. Okay, it's just position dependent. Like starting position is O, ending position is B. O to B, it's moved 5 kilometers towards the negative direction, like left direction. So it's called as minus 5 kilometer. Minus it doesn't show that it's lower than zero. The minus sign shows us about direction. What is the direction? The direction tells us that it's going towards the left direction. Okay, so the minus sign shows us about direction. So this is displacement. Displacement is change in position, or it depends on the start and ending point of the journey and the shortest distance covered. Okay, understood? This is called as displacement. Okay. Um, Now you got an idea what is this vector quantity, what is scalar quantity. So distance is nothing tells us about, like you can see that here the directions also change, but distance doesn't tells us about any direction. So it means that it's a which quantity? Scalar quantity. But displacement tells us about direction also. So it is a vector quantity. Understood? Yes or no? Joshua, any doubt? Johan, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, quickly write it down. Done? Okay. So now I will take one question from there. A point, B point, C point, and D point. This is 4 meter. And this is 3. Okay. Now, I will change this one. Okay. Now tell me the distance covered when it goes from A to D, A, then A to C, then A to B. So it means that the person is standing on A. If it is goes to A to why am out? Okay, so we can do one thing, guys. The time is over, I guess. I want to give one question, but it's okay. We'll do tomorrow. So it happens automatically. I don't know. So it's okay. I hope you enjoyed the class. Then bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye.